Hey guys, Matthew with 20D. I hope you guys are doing well. So we did typewriter, Jesus, you, and I did typewriter today, typewriter ministry. And then I also preached at Lighthouse last night, and that was super awesome. I ministered on Isaiah 53, the first 5 verses, and then a few guys hung out afterwards, and we got a chance to pray for them and minister to them. And then I got to sit with the director in his extended family's life. There was a tragedy. There was a small child, 7 years old or so, 6-7 years old, lost in a tragic accident, and I was able to sit there and minister and connect with him, so that was great. Today for street ministry, it was super interesting. I was out for 2 hours. I wrote 9 poems. It just came in waves, and the last 4, they happened so fast. The last 5, they happened so fast, and there's so many people wanting them. I didn't even really get a chance to minister. However, we know them, we see them, we're praying for them. But the 2 encounters that were super impactful today, one was Anna. So what I saw in my heart, I saw her standing there kind of on a beach, but I saw waves hitting her, and I saw how the past and regret and things that she has done has really bothered her, even so much that she wasn't sleeping. I saw her not sleeping, and then I saw her walking through the beach, ignoring people, ignoring everything on the scenario, the landscape, just searching for freedom and hope. And I was able to start to minister to her, that the Lord showed me this about her, that he wants to give her true freedom and true hope. She said, "I'm a Christian." I said, "That's great." And I was able to minister and pray for her right there. It was really peaceful, and it was great. And then this other man named Carlos stopped. He had his bicycle. He wanted a poem. He saw me praying for her. He wanted a poem. And I saw in my heart how there was a lot of intensity of life that has made him put up a lot of walls. That kind of changed him, that he pulled away, and that this was a season now for him to start to believe again, hope again, to let people in again. He shared with me that his girlfriend, I think it was girlfriend, was tragically killed, and it affected him and his daughter. He became an absentee father. He went from owning a townhome, a car, to just losing interest in everything. He became homeless. That's what I wrote in the poem. I wrote that he sees and knows the values of things. And so in all this, he admit that he's been through all these troubles and all these hardships, and and he was blown away by what I wrote and the Lord ministering to him. And so I started to preach the gospel to him, and I prayed for him, and it was really, and you could tell he was a serious individual. He had some kind of star tattoo, and it was just powerful. And I believe the Lord just brought that encounter, and I prayed for him and ministered to him, and especially believing the Lord was taking not the memories away, but the pain of the memories away. And yeah, it was just a fantastic, especially those 2 encounters. All the people were great, but those 2 encounters were super fantastic. Okay, it's 4 minutes. Love you guys. Bye.